Assalamualaikum to Dr. Nazli and hi everyone. My name is Siti Fatimah Binti Abu Mansor and today I would like to explain to you about the community of inquiry model and its application in a flipped learning classroom. For the learning objective, all of you will understand the community of inquiry models and also understand how COI model used in a flipped classroom and understand the use of application of the COI model. The community of inquiry model was the first introduced by D. Randy Garrison, Terry Anderson, and Walter Archer in year 2000. They developed the model as a way to describe the elements necessary for a successful learning experience. It has since become widely used as a framework for online education, research, and practice. The authors are respected scholars in the field of online education and have made significant contribution to the development and understanding of the COI model. For introduction to the COI model, the Community of Inquiry COI model is theoretical framework for online learning that was first introduced by Garrison, Anderson, and Archer in year 2000. It describes three interrelated elements that are necessary for a successful online learning experience, such as cognitive present, social present, and also teaching present. For social present, is referred to the sense of community and connectedness that students feel with each other and the instructor in the online learning environment. This can be fostered through activities such as discussion forum, group project, and virtual collaboration learning space. For teaching presence, involve the design, facilitation, and direction of the learning process. These include the provisions of the clear instructional material, guidance, and support, and opportunity for interaction between the teacher and also the instructor. For cognitive presence, refers to the ability of the student to engage in the critical thinking and problem-solving activity in an online environment. This is achieved through a balance of structures, facilitation, and student-centered activity. In the flipped learning classroom, social presence refer in the degree to which students will feel connected to each other and their teacher, as well as the level of the interaction and collaboration that occur with the class. This can be facilitated using technologies such as discussion forum, group project, and virtual communication tool. Social presence is important in a flipped learning environment because it helps to create a sense of community and enhance student learning experience by allowing them to receive feedback, engage in discussion, and work together on projects. The right application can enhance the social presence of a flipped classroom by providing tools that support communication and collaborations between student and the teacher. For teaching presence, in a flipped classroom, it refers to the design, facilitation, and direction of the learning experience by the teacher. These include creating and sharing instructional material, facilitating discussion and activity, provide feedback and support, and managing of the overall learning environment. The goal of the teaching present is to create a supportive and effective learning environments that engage students and help them to achieve their own goal. The right application can play a key role in enhance teaching presence in a flipped learning classroom. For example, an application can help teacher to teach and deliver effective instructional material, facilitate online discussion and activity, provide feedback and support to students, and manage the overall learning environment by using technology to support their teaching's presence. Teacher can create a more effective and engagement learning experience for their students. For cognitive presence, in a flipped learning classroom, it refers to the level of critical thinking, problem solving, and active learnings that occur with the class. It also concerns with how the student construct meaning from the information and experience they encounter in their learning environment. And applications can support cognitive presence in a flipped learning classroom by providing tools that promote critical thinking and problem solving, such as interaction simulation, case study, and online discussion. Additionally, this application can provide students with opportunity to actively engage with the material and construct their own understanding through activities such as reflective writing, peer feedback, and collaborative projects. Overall, the right application can play a key role in enhancing cognitive presence in flipped learning classroom by providing students with opportunity to engage in higher level thinking and problem solving that to construct their own understandings of the material. This can help to deepen their learning and improve their overall performance. For community of inquiry category or indicator, the community of inquiry COI model is a framework that considers the three interrelated dimensions of learning, which is social presence, cognitive presence, and teaching presence. These dimensions are further defined by specific category and indicator. For social present category and indicator include three, which is the first one is interpersonal communications, that which students can engage in open and meaningful communications with their teacher and peer. Second, group dynamic, which is a collaboration and cooperations that occur between students. And third, effective aspirations, which is to extend the which students feel comfortable expressing their emotions and opinion. For teaching presence category and indicator include design and organizations, which to learn environments is as well designed as and organized to support student learning, to facilitations, to extent to which the students is able to facilitate student learning through activity and discussion, direct instruction, to extent to which the teacher provide clear and effective guidance and feedback to students. Next is cognitive presence category and indicator include. The first one is inquiry process, the degree to which students are able to engage in critical thinking and problem solving. Conceptualization, which is to extent to which students are able to construct meaning from the information they encountered. Reflections, the degree to which students are able to reflect on their own learning and make connection to previous experience. In the flipped classroom, the right application can play a key role in supporting each dimension of community of inquiry. For example, the application can provide tools for interpersonal communication, facilitate group dynamic, and promote effective application, as well as promoting critical thinking and problem solving, conceptualization, and reflection. The application can also support the design and organization of the learning environment. the teacher facilitations of student learning, and the provision of clear and effective guidance and feedback. Overall, the COI model and its application in flipped learning classroom can help to create a more e- a more engaged and effective learning experience for students by supporting their social, cognitive, and teaching present. For flipped learning model, flipped learning model is approach to teachings that inverts the traditional classroom model by having students learn new material outside of class and using class time for active engagements and applications of the material. In the flipped learning classroom, students typically watch recorded lecture, completes reading or other learning activity at home, and then come to class prepared to engage with activity and discussion that build on the material they have learned. The goal of the flipped learning model are to provide students with control over the pace and place of their learnings, enhance student engagement and motivations through activity and interactive class activity, promote deeper understandings of the material by giving students opportunity to apply what they are learned, provide teacher with the more opportunity to engage with the student and provide personalized support and feedbacks. The flipped learning model can be applied in many different subject areas and educational settings, and can be adapted to meet the need and goal of the individual student and teacher. By flipping the traditional classroom model, the flipped classroom approach can provide students with a more engaged and effective learning experience, while also allowing teachers to spend more time interacting with students and provide individualization support. Applications of COI present in a flipped classroom. In a flipped classroom, the community of inquiry COI model can be applied to enhance student learning and engagements. The three presence of the COI model, social presence, cognitive presence, and teaching presence, can be supported through the use of technology and active learning activity. Social presence can be enhanced in the flipped learning classroom using online discussion forum, collaborative project, and peer-to-peer feedback. This activity can help students to feel connected to their teacher and peer and to deliver stronger interpersonal relationships that support their learning. In cognitive presence, can be enhanced using interactive simulation, case study, and reflective writing assignments. This activity can help students to engage in critical thinking and problem solving, and to construct their own understanding of the material. Teaching presents can be enhanced using well-designed instructional material, effective facilitation of class activity, and a clear and consistent feedback. The teacher can use technology such as video recording, online quiz to provide students with a clear and engagement instructions and to monitor their progress and understanding of the material. That's all from me. Thank you.